In this video, I'll guide you through how to clear recent files in Google Drive. If you've been working on a lot of documents and your recent section feels cluttered or you just don't want certain files showing up there, this walkthrough will help you understand what you can and can't do and how to tidy things up safely. First, open Google Drive in your browser. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once Drive loads, you'll see the main homepage with your files and folders. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the navigation menu. There, you'll see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and others. Click on the option labeled Recent. This section automatically shows files you've opened or edited recently, whether they're in My Drive, a shared folder, or owned by someone else. When the recent view opens, you'll see a list or grid of files. These are organized by how recently they were accessed, so the ones at the top are usually the ones you've worked on most recently. Take a moment to scroll through and find a file you want to remove from view. Next, move your mouse over that file and right-click on it. On a trackpad, this might be a two-finger click, depending on your settings. Right-clicking will open a small menu with several options related to that file. This menu is where you control what happens next. In that menu, you'll see an option called Remove. This is important. Choosing Remove does not just hide the file from the recent section, it actually removes the file from your Google Drive and sends it to the trash. That means it will disappear not only from recent, but also from My Drive and any folders where it was stored. If your goal is to permanently get rid of the file, click Remove. The file will move to trash, where it will stay for a limited time before being deleted automatically. If you change your mind later, you can go to the trash section on the left side of Google Drive and restore it, as long as it has not been permanently deleted yet. However, if you only want to clear out the recent list and you still need the file in your drive, it's better not to click Remove. Google Drive does not offer a way to manually clear or edit the recent history without affecting the actual files. Instead, recent updates itself automatically over time. As you work on new files and open different documents, older items will gradually move down the list and eventually disappear from the most visible part of the recent section. So the key idea is this: use Remove only when you truly want to delete the file from Drive, not just hide it from recent. Otherwise, simply leave the file as it is and let Google Drive manage the recent list for you in the background. That's all you need to know to manage recent files in Google Drive. By understanding how the recent section works, you can keep your workspace cleaner without accidentally deleting something important.